Plenty of room.
Just when you're ramping up the strappies.
I think you should trim at least a lot off.
How far does that go?
We can tie it to my truck. Alright, truck's in. Load it up. Let's hit the road.
4 to 6 days later.
Where you at?
Well, it's pretty much the exact same as last year.
It's raining.
It's raining, it's windy as shit again. We got a way better setup this time.
I still don't know why we don't just drive the Ranger.
Here's why I can't see shit. We didn't pull the mirrors out.
Oh, you want to do that?
Continue on I-57 south for 37.
Don't tilt it.
I don't know if that's how you do it, man. Are you sure that's how you do it?
You gotta like full body yeet it, so.
Oh, I can try it.
No. You gotta like. Yeah, so don't.
Why isn't that automatic? What kind of truck did you buy? Yeah, a little window leaking.
Yeah. Huh.
Maybe that's why they sold it. He's gone?
Yeah. We lost the vent cover.
Good.
It's gone.
Did you not put it down all the way?
It was down.
Huh.
That one's still on.
This will help for flow anyways.
It's just some water on the radiator.
What happened to the wheels? Did you spray paint any of them?
That's from the compound.
Oh, for your wax?
Yeah.
Your buffing?
Yeah. Alright, so we know that the trailer isn't waterproof, mainly because of the
Anymore.
giant hole in the ceiling.
Yeah. Yeah, that one.
Problem for another day. Well, other than losing the roof vent, we're doing good.
We're only like an hour away from our house.
I noticed the other day that the cover was like a little odd looking.
Oh.
You didn't say anything?
No.
This is prime time to speak up now.
I believe we are now in Kentucky.
That's a fact.
Which means we finally made it out of Illinois. It's just been all day.
At least we're halfway there.
Halfway.
It's halfway.
We gotta explain to the people that halfway there doesn't mean to Florida.
No.
I know that now that I've been yelled at.
Halfway to Georgia.
Halfway to Georgia! Halfway to friggin' Atlanta! We're a third of the way to Florida, right?
Roughly.
Yeah.
Doing good.
Yeah, we'll check in a bit. You know, maybe around Tennessee.
We should be in Tennessee in no time.
Yeah.
Kentucky's only like 15 minutes long.
The next morning.
Oh, hello. Doing trailer maintenance. How's things? You got a nice view of the parking lot from here. Once I get this thing clean, I'm going to apply copious amounts of tape to hopefully prevent the thunderstorms from fully entering the trailer. At least that's my plan. Shoot! Goodbye.
This guy. You can clean the ladder off for him? That's so nice of you.
Can't make it look like I just walked up.
Not been used. In the parking lot. Shh.
Don't tell anyone.
I think they know.
BRB. We gotta take a ladder back. Since it didn't fit in the truck.
One eternity later.
Hey there. We're in Florida now. Nice and hot and humid. Had to check the lug nuts because we realized 1,100 miles into our 1,300 mile trip that we didn't make sure the lug nuts were tight.
We only realized because we seen somebody else's trailer with no wheels on it.
Wait, ooh. Not good. But it's fine. We're good now. So, how far away are we?
I have no idea.
Good talk. All right.
300-ish miles?
300?
300?
I don't think so. That doesn't sound
I
right.
think so.
All right, we'll see you there. And we're here. We made it to our Airbnb. It's a nice place. Truck did great for only owning it for a day. Trailer did great, except the roof vent, which we should probably see if it leaked. It held up. No moisture. That's nice. What do you think so far?
What do I think about what?
The Airbnb when you walked in there.
I noticed that I'm sleeping on a bunk bed with another dude. So I'm well enthused.
2 days later.
All right, we made it. It's practice day. Gotta, whew, get these hands off me. Gotta unload the trailer and get set up for some practice. I'm having a grand old time. This is just like last year when we got here and we're like, whoo!
It's hot as
Yeah.
yeah.
Here she is. She made it. All the way here. Mint.
Where's lights out? Okay, what are you doing there?
Exposing ourselves. We are! Now they know. Hey there.
How you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you doing?
Well,
How are the people doing?
you ready to win?
Well, it's practice. You can't win in practice.
How do you think the car is gonna do?
Hopefully, the car does well. Because that's
Do
what
you think you rushed yourself at all putting it back together?
I do not even a little bit, no.
Not in the slightest?
No.
So your main concerns today are?
My main concerns are, does this thing keep me cool?
That's it. You're sweating and you're not even started racing yet. Well, that's a nice place for a switch.
Ooh, that's so cold!
I'm sure.
Oh my god! Oh, it's so cold! Turn it down!
They just drove through Chet's door.
Are you okay?
Oh, it's so cold. It's like it's leaking. Steve was right. You need a switch on this to turn it down.
Yeah. Did you put one on it?
Huh?
Did you put one on it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Fixed it.
It's got a dent. Yep, that way you don't look down at the speed.
Yeah.
You don't need to know.
Completely covered up.
Yep. I think we're ready, guys.
All right.
Have a good life.
I will do that.
Really enjoy yourself out there.
I will do a good try on that.
It's not important that you go fast. It's just important that you have fun.
That is profound. Thank you. Did you see that? I don't want to say it too soon.
What do you mean?
All I say is that went extremely well. Extremely well. I don't know what those lap times were.
Mid 19.
They were definitely faster than
I
last
feel
year.
like you just barely hit a 20 when I timed it.
Yeah.
I just timed it one time, but just barely.
There was a couple laps. I'm like, oh, that one was fast. Yeah, I passed Chet with no
You're
problem.
doing good out there, man.
I don't know what's wrong with Chet. It was pathetically slow.
All right. Cletus stopped by. He said I did a 19.2 in practice. Put that in perspective, the fastest lap of the last Danger Ranger was a 19.6 that I set. So 5 laps of practice and I already went faster than last year. I got a good feeling about the race. We'll see you there.